This video explains how you can use a photo capture event to take photos of your guests, then upload them to your FTP website, and then run a sharing station event which allows the users to browse the photos and then use a QR code to download their chosen photo from your website. So the first thing to do is to explain the photo capture event, and this is a very simple one here. It literally takes a photo and shows the photo to the user with a QR code here. So let's have a look at this QR code first. Double click. Now here I've got the QR code to point to my website, which is airvalleysoftware.com, and I've created a subfolder on my website which is today's date, event 07/12/24, and that's where I want all the photos to be uploaded to. So this QR code is pointing at this subfolder on my website, and it's a text plus current photo QR code. So each time a photo is taken, the name of the photo will be appended to this QR code, and it will be dynamically changed on this show photo page. Okay, so let's go back out of here into the designer, and let's have a look at event files and folders. Now the way that's happening is that I've got a file copy action, which is to copy the photos to my site in the subfolder event 07/12/24. Now obviously you can change this to be whatever folder you want. Now I also copy the photos to this local sharing station folder. Now I'm not going to explain all about sharing stations in this video. There are other videos that I have on my website that explain how you can set up a sharing station event. So let's just take a photo here using my helper. So I've got the live camera feed here. Let's capture one photo. So the photo has been captured, and now Rightbooth is uploading the photo in that subfolder, and it's also copied the photo to the local sharing station folder. So if you want to scan that QR code now, you should be able to download this photo. But the question is, once we've kept this and we're back to taking the next photo, what if that previous user wants to access that photo for downloading again? Well, this is where you need to run a sharing station event. So let's have a look at the sharing station event now. So I'm going to exit this, and I'm going to open my sharing station event. Now as you can see, the photo I've just taken is in the sharing station event folder. This is a local folder. Let me just show you that. And here we are. So this is the photo that I've just taken, but the sharing station folder has also got some photos that I took previously as well. So we've got 4 photos locally, and they've also all been uploaded in that subfolder that I mentioned earlier. So as you can see, all the photos are being shown here. Now, as it's set up at the moment, you can choose one of the photos, you can then show the photo, and on the show photo screen, this is all set up to get the photos off the local network. Now, if you're not wanting your users to get these files from your computer locally, then you don't need to scan to join the Wi-Fi network. If you just want to allow your users to get hold of the photos from your FTP site, then the way to do it is you can remove the join Wi-Fi network QR code because it's not necessary. So let's just delete that. Let's delete that. And here we want to edit this QR code so that it points at your FTP site for the photo. So let's just move this over here for a minute, and let's just enlarge this. So let me double click this and see what we've got in here at the moment. So right now this is pointing at the local web server IP address for private networks. So what you need to do in here is edit this, and I'm going to point it at the website subfolder. Go for airvalleysoftware.com/event 07/12/24 /, and this continues to be a text plus current photo QR code. So if I now play this event, at this point these files are all coming from the local sharing station folder. I now click or touch the screen to move on to the media browser, and as you can see there are 4 files here, and again these are being shown from the local sharing station folder. But as soon as I choose one, go on to the next screen, here we're showing the local file, but this QR code will let the user scan and download from the website. So if you want to scan that now with your phone, you will find that you can download this file on my airvalleysoftware.com website. So I hope that makes sense. You're essentially making use of the sharing station event to point the user at your site for browsing and downloading files. So if I click this one here, this QR code now points at the site for download. So give it a try and see how you get on. If you've got any questions about this, you can either email me or post a question on the Everything Right Booth Facebook user group. Thanks for watching.